Hello YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. And yes, that's sunlight, unbelievable, eh? It's late October and it's brilliant sunshine, although it has been raining all morning, so I've not been able to cut the grass. Let's go to the car, because in today's video, bit of a breeze. The plan is to investigate a little bit of a knock that I'm getting in my front corner. As some of you know, I'm going to rebuild each corner with wishbones, drop links, everything else, suspension, but I thought I'd turn the car around, jack it up and see what it's doing. It's probably just a ball joint or a drop link, but yeah, so I'm going to set up the camera and see what happens. Jesus, seriously? My car just started and I wasn't even in it. I mean, I've still got the keys in the hand. And I mean, what? Seriously? That is just freaking weird. I mean, it's got the key there, but that's not, it's a keyless car, so that remains in the ignition all the time, but you have to physically turn it, and that's turned. Right. That's just strange. And hopefully I got it on camera. As I say, I've literally, well, you saw what I did. I just come out, and I do not get that. I mean, you know, admittedly, I don't know, the car's got a great character, and it's black. Yeah, stuck for words a bit. Plus, I always leave my car in gear when I park it. It's a habit I've done since I learnt to drive. But that's just nuts. I mean, it's all... Right. I may stop this episode here whilst I figure out what's going on, I should say. I mean, I physically have to turn the key to start the car, like so, and I mean, if you turn it, nothing happens unless you put on your foot on the clutch, and then you can start it. Right. We'll come back next week, or maybe later, and hopefully my car will be driving around and perhaps talking to me, and maybe it won't need petrol to run on. That'll be even better, won't it, eh? Very strange.